Picking out that foundation to get that true color match can be tough, especially when there's such a wide variety of shades. Or maybe you're finding yourself having to shop online for your foundation. Now, if you want to learn how to pick out that perfect shade of foundation for your skin tone, then keep on watching. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where I, Katelyn, teach you the beauty basics so that you can feel confident with your existing makeup skills so you can get out there and show up bigger and more confident for the more important parts of your life. In today's video, I am teaching you how to pick out that perfect shade of foundation and how to color match yourself with or without sampling that foundation first. If you want to learn my 5 secrets to achieving that flawless face every single time, I put a link below for you guys to download my free guide. In there, you will learn how to apply your makeup to achieve that beautiful flawless finish, as well as some exclusive tutorials for you, including how to contour your face. Okay, let's get into this video, starting with how to test your foundation first. When it comes to testing your foundation, you want to make sure you're testing it in natural light. So standing maybe a few feet in front of a window during the daytime, not during golden hour, and that's how you're gonna get the best natural light and therefore see the true color. When testing a foundation, you wanna find that color that matches both the neck and the face. Now your face tends to be a little bit darker than your neck, so make sure you find that color that fits nice in between. And remember, you're always safe to go with a lighter shade on your face because you can warm it up with a bronzer. Swatch your foundation from your nose to your cheek and into your hairline, blending it down into your neck. The reason why you are always safe to go with that lighter shade is because foundation will naturally oxidize and darken throughout the day. And this is just due to nature's elements and obviously the oils in our skin. Now, choosing the appropriate foundation color really comes down to knowing your skin's undertones. Knowing your skin undertone will be very helpful, especially when you can't sample or try on that foundation. For example, if you're shopping online. So if you are warm toned, you want to lean towards a foundation with more yellow undertones. And if you are cool toned, you want a foundation with more pink undertones. And if you're unsure of what your undertone is, sticking to more neutral shades or neutral tones, as well as more on the warmer side, will always be your safe bet. And remember, you're always safe with that lighter shade. Now, here's a few things to always remember when you're picking out or purchasing your foundation. One is you can always mix your colors to find that perfect foundation shade. The other one is, remember, you're not going to stay the same shade throughout the year. During the spring and summer months, we tend to spend more time outside and therefore our skin gets a little bit more tan from the sun, and you'll probably be needing a shade that is a little bit darker. Remember, foundation is meant to match your skin tone. It is not a corrector or a concealer. And if you want a brighter complexion, applying brightening products like highlighters to the higher planes of your face will give you the appearance of brighter skin. If you're wanting a more tanned look, then opt for a darker shade that matches more with your forehead or chin, as those areas tend to get the most sun. Now, choosing the appropriate foundation for your skin type is critical. For example, if you have oily or mature skin, you're going to want to lean more towards that matte finish, whereas if you have drier skin, a dewier finish will work the best for you. Now, in this video right here, I go over how to apply foundation if you have dry skin. And of course, if you don't know what your skin type is, head to the description box below. In there, I included my quiz where you can learn all about your skin profile and what skin type you are. Now, my best advice is if you have the opportunity to try on the foundation first, obviously that's going to be your safest bet, or getting a professional to assist you. I offer free color matching to all my clients, and if you're not local and you don't know what shade of foundation you are or want to be color matched, by all means you can simply email me and I will color match you to the right shade of foundation simply through a picture. Now guys, I want to know, how confident are you in applying your foundation? Are you switching up your foundation color throughout the year? Are you mixing and matching, or are you just like straight with that foundation color all year round? Does not matter. Let me know in the comments below. And have you signed up for my free workshop yet? I host them every Saturday morning at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you want to save your spot, just go down to the description box below and you can save your spot right there. And of course guys, just like always, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you want to keep learning some beauty basics just like this one. In fact, go check out these videos right here and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every week when I post a new video. Can't wait to see you guys next week. Bye!